Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download fonts and add them to CapCut. So here I'm going to just start by downloading the fonts. I'm going to open my browser and then go to thefont.com. Okay, this one. And in here you can find a bunch of fonts that you can use on CapCut. So here I'm going to download the Alpha Dante font. So click on download and the file will be downloading and I'm gonna see the progress. Okay, so you can just wait until the download finish. Okay, so now the download is done. I'm going to see it on my file manager. So you need to extract it first. Okay, so here the Alpha Dante, I'm going to extract the file. Okay, so it now extracted, and now you need to go to CapCut and add it to your CapCut. Okay, so for example, I want to add it here. And next you need to go to text and add text first. For example, dancing. Okay, click on the check icon, and go to font, and here you'd find there is a plus icon in here. So just click on the plus icon and click on upload file and choose the font that you've downloaded before. So I'm going to go to download, and here is the file Alpha Dante. Click on the file and it will be uploaded to your CapCut. So click on the file, click on the font and then here the font has been added and you can use it on your CapCut freely. Okay guys, so that is how you can download and download fonts and add them to CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, thanks, and subscribe for more content. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.